Hi, today I'm excited to show you how we transform SuCasa Vacay's workspace using ClickUp and Vintory to streamline their operations. If you're struggling with managing rental properties, inventory, or client interactions efficiently, this setup will show you how automation and organization can completely optimize your business. Before we stepped in, SuCasa Vacay faced several challenges. Their data was scattered across Excel sheets and various platforms, making it difficult to manage. Property maintenance and inventory tracking were manual, leading to missed updates and stock shortages. Lead and client management lacked automation, causing delays in follow-ups and missed opportunities. Due to these inefficiencies, managing multiple properties, guests, and business operations became overwhelming. Our goal was to centralize everything in ClickUp and create a seamless, automated workflow. To address these challenges, we structured their ClickUp workspace into 4 key areas. Properties is for managing rental properties, maintenance, and inventory. SuCasa HQ for overseeing leadership, finance, and HR operations. Growth is for tracking leads, clients, and marketing efforts. System Hub is for storing templates, SOPs, and essential guides. This setup streamlined their operations, making it easier to track tasks, manage properties, and improve team collaboration. Under properties, we organized each rental unit with maintenance tracking to schedule regular checkups and repairs. Dynamic inventory management with separate lists for monthly stock, tri-monthly stock, and initial property setup. We implemented powerful automations such as when a maintenance checklist is completed, the task automatically reschedules for the next due date. Employees receive automatic notifications before and after due dates to ensure timely maintenance. Inventory statuses update dynamically. If stock reaches 0, the system automatically alerts the admin to reorder. When new stock arrives, the system updates the inventory and sends a confirmation. A dedicated order management view tracks purchase status, order dates, and total costs. With this system, SuCasa Vacay now maintains properties efficiently, prevents stock shortages, and keeps operations running smoothly. For lead and client management, we built a CRM system within ClickUp, fully integrated with Vintory. Here's how it works. When a new lead fills out a form on the website, they are automatically added to the lead pipeline in Vintory. Let's see one example. Here, this lead is added in Vintory. After completing the form, lead will get an email to book an appointment to discuss. I am showing you how they can book the meeting. When appointment is booked in Vintory's calendar, an opportunity is created in the appointment book stage and also automatically added in ClickUp CRM lead list. Leads progress through structured stages as new, follow-up, proposal sent, negotiation, won or lost. We implemented email follow-ups for past clients to encourage repeat bookings in Vintory. If a lead converts, they are automatically moved to the client list with onboarding tasks generated. Let's see how it works. Additionally, we created some other automation for follow-up and nurturing the leads. The system sends meeting reminders, confirmation emails, and follow-up messages for better engagement. We also added some great automations on stale opportunities. With this automation, SuCasa Vacay now has a seamless, hands-free lead management system that increases conversions and ensures no opportunities are missed. To provide real-time business insights, we built a comprehensive CRM dashboard that displays active leads, new leads this month, and total active clients, lead conversion rates, sources, and estimated deal values, client health tracking, ensuring proper follow-ups and engagement. With this dashboard, SuCasa Vacay now has full visibility into their operations, enabling better decision-making and improved efficiency. To support business growth, we structured the marketing and website sections with task management for social media, advertising, and SEO updates. Website automation that instantly adds new leads from the site into the CRM. And in the System Hub section, we implemented task templates for easy onboarding and recurring processes. a guest Q&A guidebook that allows the property management team to resolve guest inquiries efficiently, a tool manager to store essential login credentials, billing cycles, and subscriptions. SOPs section provides structured guidelines for all the tasks, ensuring consistency across operations. Since implementing this system, SuCasa Vacay has seen major improvements. 100% centralized operations, eliminating the need for scattered spreadsheets. Automated inventory tracking, reducing stock shortages. Seamless lead management, increasing client conversions. Better workflow efficiency, saving hours of manual work per week. If you're looking for a similar solution to optimize your workflow and grow your business, reach out to us at Camel Tech. Let's build something great together.